I am pleased to join with hundreds of mayors across the United States of America. Members of the Phoenix City Council are with me today. Councilwoman Kate Gallego to my right, Councilman Michael Nowakowski to my left, but really representing all the members of our City Council because we all support this very special program. We are here today to celebrate the 5th annual Mayor's Day of Recognition for National Service. And I want to say a special thank you to Kimberly Will and your team for the Corporation for National and Community Service for being here, as well as Bob Sjogren, AmeriCorps Director for the Governor's Office, and of course our good friend, Mi-Young Lee, Executive Director of Cities of Service, who will be watching this with pride, I'm sure, when it does air. We do appreciate your support greatly. All of members of the City Council, and I think Councilwoman Deborah Stark may be joining us, Councilman Laura Pastor, but all of the City Council are strong supporters of AmeriCorps and Senior Corps, and you will hear from my two colleagues shortly. Today is about celebrating the women and men who are giving their time, their immense talents, their sweat equity to our city and to neighborhoods throughout our city through AmeriCorps and Senior Corps. These members roll up their sleeves, they share their passion, their ideas, and their skills to help Phoenix address some of our community's most pressing needs. Because of them, our efforts to address issues like homelessness, climate resilience, neighborhood blight are more creative, more inclusive, and ultimately more effective. We have now grown to more than 19 AmeriCorps members and 9 full-time AmeriCorps Vista members here at the city of Phoenix. And these talented people behind me, that's them. They're our folks. We love what you do for the city of Phoenix. We appreciate it. Let's give a big round of applause, please. Some of the part-time AmeriCorps members do service through our partners at Experience Matters, and they work in our libraries, College Depot, Youth and Education Office, and our police department Explorers. Our Vista members, the full-time members, work through our partners at Cities of Service and serve at the City Manager's Office, Neighborhood Services, Office of Emergency Management, and other great departments of the city. Vista members, through our hands-on Greater Phoenix partners, serve in Housing and Human Services in the office of Councilwoman Gallego and Councilman Valenzuela. And in my office, Katie Gentry is doing an awesome job. We love her. She does a great job as a professional in the mayor's office. If you have had the opportunity to work alongside Vistas, you know they have a way of taking a good idea and making it bigger and better. Let me give you an example. This past July, Olivia Hutchins and Nicholas Roosevelt from our Cities of Service Resilient Phoenix program teamed with a local Eagle Scout named Caden Haywood on the We're Cool project. They helped bring together more than 40 volunteers to help connect hundreds of low-income residents and downtown transit commuters with our heat relief network, cooling stations, during one of the hottest stretches of the year. They made a difference, a positive difference in people's lives who are going through a very difficult time in their lives through their great work. Through Love Your Block, our AmeriCorps and Vista Annie Coleman and Alyssa Hagerbrandt help bring neighborhoods together for cleanups and help build and maintain community gardens in our city, helping on important issues like food deserts in certain parts of our city. AmeriCorps volunteers also support schools, teachers, and parents through our outstanding Read on Phoenix program. This is one of the most important educational and economic initiatives where we work to make sure Phoenix kids are reading at grade level by the end of 3rd grade. These are highly dedicated volunteers from all walks of life, from all around the country, as well as right here in Phoenix. Many of them are young, choosing to delay their job search after college in order to focus on something more meaningful, having a positive impact on a community. But this experience will benefit their careers, whatever they choose to do after their time in this program. Their leadership that they've learned through this program is going to benefit them in any career choice that they may make. This incredible work has been made possible by the Corporation for National and Community Service and our amazing local and national partners. This is our 5th year in holding this celebration, but in this way, it is probably an important one. Probably the most important one, because it's important for myself, Councilman Nowakowski, Councilwoman Gallego, all leaders in the community, to let people know how important this program is worth to the residents of Phoenix. And this program deserves not only to remain in the federal budget, to be increased in the federal budget, because there's probably no program in the country where we get more bang for our buck than through our VISTA and AmeriCorps program. So thank you so very much. This is a program that builds community and leaders at the same time. So once again, I want to thank the National Service members for continuing to play such a critical role in helping Phoenix take on some of our most challenging issues. And I thank you again for your energy, your passion, and for making Phoenix stronger. And I say, as mayor, I owe you a huge debt of gratitude, and thank you for choosing this program. And we're lucky that you landed here in Phoenix. Now let me introduce my friend, who's probably the strongest advocate on our city council for service and service opportunities for young people, Councilwoman Gallego.
I'm Kate Gallego. I serve on the Phoenix City Council and as the local government representative on Governor Ducey's Commission on Service and Volunteerism. In that role, I get to work with Bob Sjogren and his team at the governor's office to promote national service. And I want to thank everyone in the state of Arizona who has supported national service. It's been a great bipartisan success for the state of Arizona. The roots of national service are very bipartisan as well. A lot of the original infrastructure was set up by the first President Bush, then expanded by President Clinton, and further expanded by the second President Bush. In Arizona, our delegation, we've had support on both sides. I've met with Senator John McCain, who talked about the importance of national service as a great way to give back to the community for people who want to serve, but for whom the military is not the right option. So I think we need to, in this time, really thank and celebrate that bipartisan cooperation for national service. It is our secret weapon in Arizona. For us at the City of Phoenix, often when we have a crisis, we turn to national service to help us respond. In my first year, we had a lot of flooding in my city council district. We had great aid from an AmeriCorps Vista who was in my city council office, and then we called upon the National Civilian Conservation Corps to help us preserve and protect our gems like South Mountain Park, which was hit heavily by the flood. South Mountain Park was actually originally built by the Civilian Conservation Corps, one of the agencies that preceded the National Civilian Conservation Corps. So we have great roots with service in Arizona and in Phoenix, and we want to continue to build on that success. I am lucky to have Natalia Brown in my city council office this year. Natalia is serving our community in fighting poverty, building stronger neighborhoods, supporting our refugee community, and doing great work. So thank you to Natalia and to all of the AmeriCorps volunteers who are serving our great city and the state of Arizona. We are a much stronger and richer community because of your service. It's been a great partnership. The mayor alluded to this, but it currently is not funded in the federal budget. I think that is a mistake. It is one of the most nimble, efficient, and cost-effective tools that we have. So on this day, this Mayor's Day of Service, we really want to celebrate, say thank you, and say that there's more work to be done. Wishing everyone a great day of service. I want to thank in particular the Arizona Diamondbacks, who will be hosting many of the people who are serving our community for a great day and a recognition for all that national service does for Arizona. We've had great partners in the nonprofit community as well. Thank you to the agencies from Maricopa County government to refugee service agencies who are hosting AmeriCorps as well. It's a great job training program. The City of Phoenix is proud to join many other partners in being an employer of national service. We regularly hire national service alums and Peace Corps alums. I am lucky to have Dominic in my office, who is an alum of the Peace Corps. People who participate in this program have great experience and make great employees. Arizona has been leading nationally. When I last checked, we were #1 in employers of national service. We are still #1, and that's a great testament to the support we have in the state of Arizona, but also to the great work that national service alums do for us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Councilwoman Gallego, for that great words and also your service on the Governor's Commission. Also here to represent the City Council, a big supporter of this program, Councilman Michael Nowakowski.
Well, first of all, I want to thank the mayor for having this platform so we can share these stories. I believe these stories are so important, and I just want to thank the Vista AmeriCorps volunteers and the Senior Corps also for everything they do. A lot of our parents have to have 2 jobs just to make ends meet. A lot of the parents are working when their kids are coming home from school. They're not there to help them with their homework. But guess what? The Vista AmeriCorps volunteers, the Senior Corps, they're there. They're taking the place of many of those parents that want to be there to help out their children, but they can't. And I believe that it's through education that we're going to end poverty, domestic violence, and gang violence. If we can get each child to go to college and become doctors, engineers, and even volunteers in our community, we're going to end that. And that's what this program is all about. It's about empowering the most needy. It's about empowering those young people, having role models out there. It's just amazing the patience that you all have when you sit there and you go in a neighborhood and you're trying to organize a cleanup day and to beautify and listen to the kids and all their crazy ideas. We want to do a mural, we want to do this and this and that, and the patience that you all have. And I just want to thank you for everything you do, from the after-school programs, from helping our seniors, to our seniors reading to our children just for 20 minutes or so. You know, those are the little things that make a big difference at the end of the day. So once again, thank you on behalf of the City of Phoenix, on behalf of our great mayor and all of my colleagues, and thank you for being a part of this, what I call Team Phoenix. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much, Councilman Nowakowski. So that we said this is the 5th annual Mayor's Day of recognition for national service. I know mayors around the country are doing this. They are also bragging about their volunteers and vistas, but let me say, unequivocally, absolutely, that our vistas are better than theirs. We got the best one, yeah. And if you don't believe me, let's roll the videos and we'll prove it. Hi, I'm Phoenix Mayor Greg Stanton, here with AmeriCorps Vista members working on Cities of Service initiatives in Phoenix. Every day across the country, national service members like these are creating solutions to some of our nation's most pressing challenges.
We support citizen volunteers to strengthen their neighborhoods.
We connect vulnerable neighborhoods to opportunities.
We help community gardens grow.
And we show how volunteers can change the world.
AmeriCorps and Senior Corps members prove every day that national service works for Phoenix. It's why I'm proud to be a mayor for service.
Hi, I'm Phoenix City Councilman Jim Waring, here to celebrate the positive impact of national service in the U.S. and here in Phoenix. From fighting poverty across the nation to helping support our efforts to end human trafficking here in Arizona, AmeriCorps members put their passion for service to work for America. In 2016, national service programs invested $8 million in our local economy, engaging more than 600 members in service. The dedication of these women and men make it clear every day, national service works for Phoenix.
I'm Phoenix City Councilman Daniel Valenzuela, and I'm proud to have National Service alumni and an active AmeriCorps Vista member on my council team.
I served in AmeriCorps with Playworks in 2009.
I served as an AmeriCorps Vista in 2013 here at the City of Phoenix.
And I'm an AmeriCorps Vista here in the District 5 Council office.
The District 5 Council team has made me a believer. National service works for Phoenix.
Hi, I'm Phoenix City Councilman Michael Nowakowski, here with AmeriCorps Vista member Katie Gentry.
I'm proud to be in AmeriCorps Vista, a national service program focused on ending poverty in America and right here in Phoenix.
Members build local capacity through sponsoring nonprofit organizations like Hands On Greater Phoenix. AmeriCorps Vistas like Katie prove to us every day
that national service works for Phoenix.
Hi, I'm Councilwoman Kate Gallego, and I'm here with AmeriCorps Vista member Natalia Brown and Peace Corps alum Dominic Braham, who are serving here in Phoenix. AmeriCorps Vista members use their skill, talent, and passion to fight poverty by working hand in hand with a network of sponsoring organizations and partners. The City of Phoenix is committed to employing national service members, such as Dominic and Natalia, to help solve some of our community's biggest challenges. We know national service works.
All right. Woo.
I told you so. We got the best ones. Again, thanks everyone for being here for this very special day. Thanks Bob Sjogren from the governor's office. Mi-Young Lee, who's watching Cities of Service. We appreciate your partnership. We will keep touting Phoenix as your best city in the United States of America for Vistas. And most importantly, I want to say thank you to our incredibly awesome Vista team that we're lucky to have here at the City of Phoenix. Now, let's get right back to work serving the citizens of Phoenix. Have a great day.